to chat with Rupali out here. That how difficult was that transition from 16 to 18?
It is not very difficult. It's a bit smooth because has been training all these years, keeping an eye on the next level, and I believe she very safe hands of her coach. The transition has been really smooth.
So we got the team from Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Delhi, West Bengal, and Telangana, and the girls under 16, 1000 meters sprint medley relay. We know of champions. It's lane 4, which is Maharashtra in the lead. We know that today, for example, in the hurdles, Maharashtra dominated. And I go back to Siddharth Tingalaya. I go back to now Tejas Shirse. Uh, what is it? What is it? Shaurya now seems to be the girl who seems to be inspiring the others, and I think even in the under 16, the boy went on to win his hurdle. So, what is it in Maharashtra? Is it the soil? Is it the air? Is it the food? Is it the you come from Thane? So is it the
I think
Mamledar ka misal?
I think you are the best person to answer this question because you belong to Maharashtra and you are always proud of being Maharashtrian. So I believe it's all together. It's in the soil, it's in the food, it's in the hard work that we give in.
Yes, we have a change in the lead there right now with originally Maharashtra, but this is going to be close. Remember, this is the heat, so they might not. How does he? I'm going to ask that question to Ajit and to Shaurya. The national record didn't come here. Were you eyeing that as well, or was she eyeing that as well, or there is a big tournament event coming up now? She said, "I should win the hurdles, but I will conserve myself for the meet in Bahrain." Was that
Exactly, she was playing safe because she has to keep herself injury free and absolutely eyes are on Asian Games. So she was playing a bit safe, sir.
yes? And 2026 is going to be an important year, isn't it? You think we all pray, as I said, Jyoti Araji comes back. She's recovering from
Ah,
injury.
yes.
Could take part in the World Championships as a result of that. Are we looking at? I was fortunate and I was unfortunate to watch Siddharth.
Not really. For Jyoti, she has been my favorite for so many years, and I keep praying for her speedy recovery. And always, Shaurya always looks up to her as her idol. And let's see what happens in.
Right for 100 and 200 and
That's
she
right.
won bronze.
And she won a bronze there.
Yeah.
The one remembers. But a phase where you say, I know you're still a very young girl. A phase where you say, or tell Ajit, as we now set off here on the second heat, Haryana, Kerala, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, and Karnataka. This is the girls under 16,000 meters. When you look at this sort of a relay, 100, 200, 300, and 400, would you say that this is a good innovation in today's world?
Yeah, it's definitely very fun. I love relays because they're done after all the events and it's just fun and everybody loves relay, everybody loves to watch, everybody loves to run. And I think it's a good teamwork.
In a relay, as you watch, there's a bit of a fumble there. In a relay, and if my memory serves me right, in Patna, you got your team a gold, didn't you? When you
Yes.
anchored the
Yeah.
4 by 100 meters. If my again, how much is the pressure from the team on you? That Shaurya, you are a star. Everyone is a star, but you are a star. So you have to give us the best, even if we don't give you the lead. And if the difference between number 1 and number 2, Maharashtra is lying 30 meters behind, you got to make up for it. Is there a pressure on you?
Then I'll have to pull a Shelly and Fraser Price.
Yeah, very true. Oh, brilliant. That's brilliant. Uh, 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 tell me, the 100, 200, the 4 by 100, uh, in great times, if you go back, who was the American? Jesse Owens in the men.
Yeah.
100, 200 long,
Long
jump, and the
jump.
4x100.
Yeah.
Wasn't it the sister-in-law of Florence Griffith Joyner, Jackie Joyner Kersey? I think she did the 100 and the long jump. Am I right? So
Heptathlon.
heptathlon. That's right. Do you have an eye on that, or Ajit says, please, we have enough on our plate.
No, 100-meter hurdles is enough.
Enough for you. That's right. Yes, wonderful. Nice little chat with you. Thank you so much, Rupali.
you,
You are
sir.
absolutely outstanding. Why do I keep on calling her Rupali, the mother, of course? Shaurya, yes. It's been an amazing evening. You know, I kept on, when you go back and watch the YouTube, as we're looking at a finish there. And this is the second heat. Wonderful finish for that team to take the second heat of the girls under 16.
No.
No, you didn't. And so 221.74 Karnataka, Kerala 224.78, and Haryana 225.70. I'm sure you're going to be missing your sister, who I'm told will be studying somewhere in the United Kingdom. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yes. Anyway, so good luck to you and the